Today in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to use this pulse oximeter in a correct way, and also going to tell you 3 major mistakes done by people, and the last one is the most important, so watch it carefully so you won't end up with false info or scared with your health status. Now let's do a quick unboxing. Inside the box you get battery, this carrying stuff, this oximeter, and this user manual. Now I'm going to open and show you the device. This is the cover cap. Just remove this, and this is small clipped style device is called oximeter. It is battery operated, and this is battery compartment. Many people make their first mistake while putting this battery inside the device. Now you see this compartment looks both sides similar, and watch the sign shown in the device carefully. This plus and this minus. Now put the battery accordingly. This side is minus side and this is plus side, so accordingly put it accordingly. Minus plus. Now put the cap on. Secondly, you need to consider when you use it. Make sure your finger is in normal temperature or in average temperature. If your finger is very cold, this device won't pick right signal because there will not be good circulation in the finger. Make sure you remove your nail polish or your artificial nail because it can interfere your reading. Third thing, it measures the flow. So if your finger is compressed or too tight or your hand is gripped with this device, you again won't get good reading. Hence, this is really important to consider. Now I will show you exactly how to use this. As you can see here, it is rubber inside, so it won't hurt you. Now relax your hand, clip this in your index finger exactly like this. Now turn on the device. Here you can see it is on and it started to measure. Wait for a few seconds for reading. Now as you can see, my oxygen level and pulse rate. It may be high because I am talking and working at the same time. Now to turn it off, just remove this device and keep it for a few seconds. It will be off automatically. And the important thing is that it might not be super accurate for the patient who have irregular heartbeat. Thank you.